Nina udhocha inge musiaisa nende na kumanyiria mutongoi wa chama cha Wiper Kalonzo wa Musyoka niwombula kana nimekiye sai ya wiwano na mutongoi wa chama cha ODM Raila Odinga kana usakwani wangilili na miongoli na ile Kalonzo niwa ukaungama Kwitya Usumbi na ke Raila Umukwata mbau Kalonzo easia mewanite nasa isindete kana itasindete usakwani ni wangilili na 11 Raila ndaka ungama yingi mwaka wangilili na miongoli na ile kavindani ka Kalonzo ni wasa nuyumbanitie kuthukuma yingi na Raila ungua ngwatanio imwe nene ya Azimio One Kenya Alliance indi ni wa mwenda Raila eanisie wiwano ulamaandikanie Benjamin Mwaka no kututhiania.
Mutongoi wa chama cha Wiper Dr. Stephen Kalonzo wa Musyoka ni wongamane vindi ya mwongo kana wiwano wa Raila ta momwe unyuvanini muvitu wa mwaka wa 2017 na indi haitunga koko kwake unyuvanini ukitwa mwaino wa nana ni Waile kuwatu kuvikia muthia thiwa unena nyaku kwenye ngwatanio imbya ya ndongo ile mbewa nyuvanio munene ukite ni kindu cha kuikiwa
decisive kingmaker
ainena na andiki mama uvo kwi umundi Kalonzo no athingila kana thiwa Raila na alangi menthi no Azimio mayeyumbanite kwatia muso u ndeithwa na undungi ateo kuthi imwe kwa imwe mpaka 11.
This has nothing to do with the NASA coalition deal. This was separately negotiated.
Ndino wa maunyuvanieli manene mavitu Kalonzo ethitwe gitue kinene utetini wa Usumbi wa Raila Odinga munini wake na nondu nasa ni Ngoo Kalonzo eweta keuti cho kitumi cha Raila kukioka wiwano uwo meeli na ula waandika Niwe ngosini ya musomi Profesa Makau Mutua na Governor wa Makueni Profesa Kivutha Kibwana.
If we were to follow the letter and spirit of the document I've just circulated, there's no need for mediation. It's not a mediation process. It is just a simple matter, and I've given the two options. Yeah, my friend has the option to abide by his own signed commitment, or he says no, and then enhance what I call a trust deficit. Yes.
Kwana na Kalonzo ni kana unena nyamwe na Raila kukonya ngwata ni ombe onvani munene ukite tike ndukethuku weta ona unena nyau kalea kusia matunda mwana wa kukite Usumbi ungua oka weovo kana ona kwenuka musisi kuru inde ti kuthinye iwa nthino wa ngwatanio ingi vatena wiwano mwimenesa na ukati wa kimeao.
These are important matters. If we just throw in the towel and play to the frenzy, celebrate greatness again, that's why I actually remember I said going to Sekuru was an option. But I would want Kenyans to know why, if I choose to Sekuru, why is that an option?
Na yu itulumo sia Kalonzo kusiokeania na Raila ingi siende kunini ya ngwatanio ya One Kenya Alliance. Kalonzo heweta veina vato wa kwanika sanzu mitalatala unena nyawake na Raila. No kana ndongo ingi nthino wa oka ikeseithi wana isilia ya nota ukuivunani ya mesani unena nya Azimioni. Ndongo isia oka si kwa tuwa kwi uni kuikia sai mitalatala mithukumile huungua ngwatanio ino.
My fellow principals in Oka are very well briefed that I'm issuing this personal statement. I had to explain it to them. It was important for me to explain to them. This has nothing to do with what we are doing in Oka, or indeed with within the framework of Azimio Oka.
Unenanya kukonya ndongo ile kukwata na mbewa nyuvani munene uwende na kumundia. Imusi ndongo nthino wa ngwatanio ya One Kenya Alliance nisithitwe itele miaka na ethwa oka ni kuvikia kukwata na ngwatanio ya kitete ya Azimio la umoja sisi thiwa yeveta kando na kwa ukuvalanya chuthi cha ngwatanio thino tete uwende wa kivila cha Usumbi. Ndilivotia vilingi wa mauvo kumava SKM Command Center ni Karen Musino Ilovi nyedita wa Benjamin Mwaka.